Welcome to Chem 510. In this video, we will discuss about some examples in chemical periodicity which may be asked in SET and NET exam. So let's start the video. Firstly, I read out the first example. The ionic radii of A plus and B minus ions are 0.98 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter and 1.81 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion is. So we know that the formula of coordination number is equal to radius ratio is equal to radius of A plus upon radius of B minus is equal to, here radius of A plus is 0.98 into 10 raised to minus 10 upon, here B minus 1.81 into 10 raised to minus 10 get cancel. Division is 0.454. So 6 is approximately 0.54, hence answer is 6. Now second one, the electron affinity and ionization potential of iodine are 3.43 electrovolt and 10.5 electron volt respectively. The electronegativity of iodine is, you know that electronegativity is equal to electron affinity plus ionization energy or potential divided by 5.6. So value of electron affinity is 3.43 plus ionization potential is 10.5, both are in electron volt, divided by 5.6 is equal to 13.93 divided by 5.6 is equal to 2.48. So answer is B, 2.48. Now the value of electronegativity of atom A and B are 1.20 and 4 respectively. The percentage ionic character of A-B bond is. Now formula of percentage ionic character is equal to (16) into XA minus XB plus 3.5 into XA minus XB raised to square. So put the values. 16 into XA is 4 minus (1.2). XA and XB are the difference between A and B. Here value of B is greater, so I take here 4 here, then 3.5 into 4 minus 1 divided square. 16 into 2.80 plus 3.5 into 2.80 bracket square. 16 into 2.80 plus 3.5 into 7.84. Now 44.8 plus 27.44 is equal to 72.24%. Here 72.24%. So we have to remember that coordination number radius ratio, coordination number is equal to radius of A plus divided by radius of B minus. Electronegativity is equal to electron affinity plus ionization energy divided by 5.6, and ionic character is equal to 16 into XA minus XB plus 3.5 into XA minus XB bracket square. XA and XB are the difference between electronegativities of A and B. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.